In this video, we will build an AI-powered Mistral OCR. We will upload complex invoice or PDF or image. It will extract PDF content, invoice content. First, we create workflow and rename it as Mistral OCR. Add note on from submission and from title as invoice, from description please upload invoice here, element name invoice, file invoice, PDF or image upload, contest upload invoice, and yes, it's the market. And download see this invoice and plus and add HTTP request note and rename it upload to Mistral HTTP request note. We'll copy the API curl code and import this command. It automatically format change a method post change API URL authentication. Authentication. We search on Google Mistral OCR, launch Mistral OCR website and click API and register new account. Continue. Create a team. Organization name as a BDC. And save. You cannot create a API key. First, we need to choose plan. Choose free plan. Sign up experiment. Verify phone number. I verify phone number. Subscription successful. Now we create API key. Create new API key. Give name and expire date. After creating button, get API key. Just copy and connect our account. Authorization value is key. Upload to install. execute, we get the uploaded PDF data to Mistral. And create new node, HTTP request, node name, get signed URL. We uploaded Mistral via Mistral API. Now we get URL from Mistral site. Insert command, alt command, and fill the change the URL dynamic at drag and drop ID and replace to variable ID. Yes. Multi-level authentication, generic authentication header, and our authentication key, use authorization and key. You can also rename the authentication OCR connectivity. Change the key, their key. So get the URL from Mistral OCR. Now we paste on browser. We'll see this invoice uploaded. Next, we'll add node, get OCR result. Add HTTP request and rename it OCR result. And import code, curl code, get OCR result. Here is a curl code and copy and paste. OCR result is imported. And since just URL, document URL, we will drag and drop and bear key first bear key and out using JSON or just document URL sense, just left side drag and drop and paste the URL. Just sense document URL sense and get view and click binary and click on view. You'll get the data text and we add information structure note structure from PDF step from PDF. Now we'll add rename it information extractor. Now we will add chat model. I use Google Gemini chat model here. React text, a drag and drop trace variable here. Drag and drop place markdown. Attribute name, invoice type number, description, invoice number, name bill to, name bill to, issue date, issue date, name issue date, type date, description data, issue invoice date. You can add any attribute as we need our document. Now we'll add Gemini chat model. We'll create credential, get API key, go to AI-google.dev, explore no model and Google AI Studio, get API key, accept, create new API, or existing project, or you can create directly with project, new project. Adding API key, copy and paste to our workflow. As it's connected. You select chat model, chat model. Finally, we test our workflow. Yes. Thanks for watching this new video. Every week we will subscribe and connect with us.